Good morning. My name is Richard Schroeder. I'm a retired medical doctor currently residing in Collier County. And I ran across a recently published study done by the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences at the National Institutes of Health that combined the data of 74 studies from multiple countries, which I think might be of interest to you in making a decision regarding water fluoridation. It's called Fluoride Exposure in Children's IQ Scores, a systematic review and meta-analysis, and it was published January 6, 2025. Now, there are dozens of studies showing that fluoride in the drinking water, down to certain concentrations, causes decreased IQ in kids. These are called significant inverse associations. But what's unique about this collection of studies is that they selected studies where the level of fluoride in the urine of the kids was measured, which is a much more direct way of knowing what the children were actually getting, regardless of the source. And as we know, fluoride gets into our bodies just from a multitude of sources. So it's not so much important what the level of fluoride in the drinking water is, it's how much they drink, how much they get from other sources that determines how much people get. Anyway, what they found in these studies that there was this inverse association of IQ and urinary fluoride levels, even down to the lowest levels they measured. The studies selected for this big meta-analysis were pretty tightly controlled for independent variables too, which just means that other things that might affect the outcomes were sort of eliminated. So it was a pretty good study, in my opinion. And according to the National Research Council, many places already have levels of naturally occurring fluoride in drinking water that may be of concern for neurotoxic effects, even without adding the industrial byproduct fluorosilicic acid. To me, this is pretty strong evidence that adding fluoride to drinking water is pure folly at this time. I think the 95% of the world that doesn't fluoridate their drinking water is getting it right, and I hope that Lee County will do the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you.